students, welcome back to our basic science class. Today I am here to give you the recap of the whole chapter Moon and Stars we discussed so far. Shall we start our class? Okay. Our solar system consists of the Sun, the planets. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Stars and also Moon and millions of asteroids, comets, etc. We discussed that planets are celestial bodies that move around the Sun in a fixed orbit. We know that Earth and the other 7 planets revolve around the Sun on its own orbit. We all live on the Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. It is the only planet known to have life on it. The imaginary line that runs through the poles of the Earth is its axis. Earth is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees. When the Earth rotates, day changes night and night changes day. We know that when the Earth rotates, day and night occurs. The half that focuses the sun gets light has day and the other does not get sunlight has night. After that we discussed about stars. We know that stars are self-luminous celestial bodies. Why stars appear to twinkle? Yes, the rays of the light from the stars undergo continuous change in its direction while traversing through various layers in atmosphere. This is why stars appear to twinkle. After that we discussed about constellations. Constellations are a group of stars imagined into shape by joining them together using lines. Saptarshis, Orion, Cassiopeia, Scorpius, etc. are some of the constellations we discussed. Saptarshis, a constellation formed by joining 7 stars which appear moderately bright in the northern part of the sky. The next one is Orion. This is the constellation used by the people in the past to identify direction while traveling in desert and the sea. The line joining the head of the sword of Orion reaches the polar star. The polar star in the right shoulder is called Tiruvadira. The next one is Cassiopeia. It's a constellation seen in the sky in the evening from the month of October to December. It is formed by joining 5 stars. And we discussed about Scorpius. It's a constellation formed in the shape of big scorpion. It is also the name of a Malayalam month, Vrishchikam. After that, we discussed about Moon. The Moon is an astronomical body that orbits the Earth as its only permanent natural satellite. The Moon is neither a star nor a planet. The Moon changes its shape every day. On one day, every 4 weeks, we see a full moon, and one day we see no moon on the sky. As the moon is gaining light, that is expanding in illumination, we use the term waxing. As the moon is losing light, that is decreasing in illumination, we use the term waning. So dear students, these are the points we discussed in this chapter Moon and Stars. Study it well. See you in the next class. Thank you.